Remember the last time you bought furniture, only to realize it clashed with your living room vibe? Or that time you ordered shoes online and they were 2 sizes too small? Frustrating, right? Now imagine a world where you could preview furniture in your living room before buying it or virtually try on shoes from the comfort of your couch. That's the power of augmented reality, or AR, in shopping. AR overlays digital images and information onto our real-world view through our smartphones or smart glasses. Think of it like this. It's like having X-ray vision for shopping, letting you see how things would look and fit without actually having them physically present. It's transforming the shopping experience from a guessing game into an interactive, personalized adventure. So, buckle up, fellow consumers, because AR is about to launch us into the future of shopping, where convenience, personalization, and a dash of futuristic fun collide. In the vast expanse of the retail universe, some brands are boldly going where no brand has gone before, embracing AR to create stellar shopping experiences. These pioneers are paving the way for a future where AR is no longer a novelty, but an integral part of how we shop. From furniture giants like IKEA to beauty behemoths like Sephora, brands across industries are harnessing the power of AR to engage customers in new and exciting ways. They're transforming the shopping journey from a passive experience to an interactive adventure, blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Let's take a closer look at 2 such trailblazers and their AR expeditions, IKEA and Sephora. These brands are leading the charge, showing us the transformative potential of AR in retail. Imagine this, you're browsing the IKEA catalog and you spot the perfect couch. But wait, how will it look in your living room? Will it clash with your coffee table? Fear not, because IKEA's AR app, IKEA Place, is here to the rescue. Using your smartphone camera, IKEA Place allows you to virtually place true-to-scale 3-dimensional models of IKEA furniture in your living room. You can move around the virtual furniture, see how it looks from different angles, and even walk around it to get a real sense of its size and scale. No more guessing games, no more buyer's remorse. IKEA Place empowers you to make informed purchasing decisions, ensuring that your new furniture fits seamlessly into your home, both aesthetically and spatially. Ever wished you could try on makeup before buying it? Sephora's virtual artist app makes that a reality, using AR to transform how we experience beauty products. This innovative app lets you try on thousands of lipstick shades, eyeshadow palettes, and other makeup products virtually, all from your smartphone. Simply scan your face using the app and voila! You can experiment with different makeup looks, find your perfect shade, and even get personalized recommendations based on your skin tone and preferences. No more awkward swatching on your hand or buying the wrong shade. Sephora's virtual artist app takes the guesswork out of beauty shopping, making it more convenient, personalized, and dare we say, fun. Section 5. The AR Advantage. It's like shopping with X-ray vision. So, we've explored how brands are using AR, but what's in it for us, the shoppers? Well, imagine strolling through a shopping mall with X-ray vision, able to see beyond the surface and get all the information you need at a glance. That's the power of AR in shopping. Remember the days of squinting at tiny product descriptions or frantically searching for reviews online? With AR, all the information you need is right there, superimposed on the product itself. Want to know the ingredients of that fancy face cream? Just point your phone at it and voila! Nutritional information for that organic granola bar? Consider it scanned. AR empowers us, the consumers, with knowledge, transparency, and a sense of control over our shopping decisions. It's like having a personal shopping assistant who knows everything about everything, always ready to provide the information we need when we need it. Section 6. A win-win for all how AR benefits both shoppers and sellers. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what's in it for the retailers? The answer is simple. AR is a win-win, offering a plethora of benefits for both shoppers and sellers. For retailers, Arkansas is like having a secret weapon, a superpower that can boost sales, reduce returns, and create unforgettable brand experiences. Imagine a world where customers are so confident in their purchases that returns become a rarity. That's the power of AR. By providing customers with immersive, interactive experiences, Arkansas helps retailers build stronger relationships with their customers, fostering brand loyalty that goes beyond the point of sale. It's a win-win situation, a cosmic dance of retail harmony. Section 7 AR Challenges. Houston, we have a few problems. While AR holds immense promise for the future of shopping, it's not without its challenges. Like a spacecraft navigating through a meteor shower, Arkansas adoption faces a few hurdles along the way. One major challenge is the need for widespread adoption of AR-compatible devices. While smartphones have become ubiquitous, not everyone owns a pair of AR glasses, yet. Additionally, developing and implementing AR experiences can be expensive for retailers, especially smaller businesses with limited budgets. However, like any technological innovation, these challenges are not insurmountable. As AR technology matures and becomes more accessible, we can expect to see wider adoption and even more innovative applications in the retail space. Section 8. The future of AR shopping. Prepare for warp speed. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the future of AR shopping is about to get seriously warp speed exciting. As AR technology continues to evolve at an astronomical pace, we can expect to see even more immersive, interactive, and personalized shopping experiences. Imagine a world where you can walk into a virtual store from your living room, browse shelves stocked with digital products, and even interact with virtual assistants who can guide your shopping journey. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of retail, powered by the limitless possibilities of AR. From virtual fitting rooms that let you try on clothes without getting dressed to interactive shopping assistants that offer personalized recommendations, Arkansas is poised to revolutionize how we shop, making it more convenient, engaging, and fun than ever before. Section 9. Ethical Considerations. AR's potential impact and responsibilities. As we hurtle towards this exciting future of AR-powered shopping, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of this technology. Just like any powerful tool, Arkansas can be used for good or in the wrong hands for less than ideal purposes. For instance, ensuring data privacy is paramount. AR experiences often involve collecting personal data, such as facial features or shopping habits. Retailers must prioritize data security and transparency, ensuring that this information is handled responsibly and ethically. Moreover, Arkansas experiences should be inclusive and accessible to all, regardless of age, ability, or technological literacy. By addressing these ethical considerations, we can ensure that AR in retail is a force for good, enhancing the shopping experience for everyone. Section 10. AR, Beyond Shopping, Expanding Horizons. While AR is transforming the retail landscape, its potential extends far beyond the realm of shopping. This versatile technology is making waves in various industries, from healthcare and education to manufacturing and entertainment. In healthcare, surgeons can use AR overlays to visualize complex anatomical structures during surgeries, enhancing precision and minimizing risks. In education, Arkansas can transport students to ancient Rome or the Amazon rainforest, creating immersive learning experiences that bring history and science to life. The possibilities are as boundless as the universe itself. As AR technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more creative and impactful applications across various sectors, shaping the future of how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Section 11, To Infinity and Beyond, AR's Limitless Potential. As we conclude our exploration of AR in shopping, one thing is clear: this transformative technology is here to stay, and its potential is as vast as the cosmos itself. From enhancing the customer experience to revolutionizing retail operations, Arkansas is reshaping the shopping landscape, one augmented interaction at a time. While challenges remain in terms of widespread adoption and ethical considerations, the future of AR in retail is bright, brimming with possibilities as limitless as the human imagination. So, buckle up, fellow consumers and retailers, and prepare to embark on an exhilarating journey into the future of shopping, where the lines between the physical and digital worlds blur, and the only limit is our imagination. The future of shopping is here, and it's augmented, engaging, and filled with endless possibilities. Let's embrace the AR revolution and explore the infinite frontiers of retail innovation together, to infinity and beyond.